Hi, in this video I'll show you how to create network in Pathloss program. But first, let's see how our sites are placed in Google Earth. Those are my sites, just few pics of the mountains. Here are also two sites I've used in previous video and I'll use them again. Between those sites I've already created all point-to-point links. I'll open one and then click network. It will give link position, and if I click on link I can choose all data like print profile or I don't know, worksheets or everything else. Ctrl N is for network. Press Ctrl N. Here are not looking for layers right now. Here's site list. Right now I have two sites of one link. I'll have more later. Here is also a link list. But let's first save our network. A call sign is missing. So I must go to Summing tab and enter call sign. Here's number 5, for example. Here I will enter some unique name. Each call site must be unique. Okay, now I can save my network and I'll enter some name like, I don't know, Arizona, since all those links are in Arizona. Let's import other already prepared links. So on site list, click import all or some links, and this is how my network looks like. You can click on each link and check details. Those two sites are something I don't want in my network. I show you how to add them and later I'll show you how to remove them. Again, I cannot save network because some call signs are missing. I can enter them here, and since they are not needed for point-to-point links, but they are needed for network, for example when calculating interference, and my advice is to always enter call sign, no matter will you need it or not. It's just easier that way. Back to deleting sites. Okay, just click anywhere on the site or link, click edit, delete, edit, delete, and they are gone from a network. Network is automatically resized to a map, so it's not very good idea to have very separated clusters because your map will be very big and clusters will be not so clear to see. Okay, I have few links here. Those are 18G, 38G, 13G. So I will show you how to create layers and show each layer separately on the map. In the layers you can show either sites by changing site layer in front of each site. Either you can either you can join as links. For example, change layer 1 to layer 2 and they will be shown in desired layer. Now when you go on layers you can show or hide some layers, but remember one layer must always be on. That's active layer. Here my links are gone and only one layer is shown. Okay, just let me back to network. Okay, so those are layers of 38G network. I can change active layer. I can delete it. I must first change it. Layers you checked are only visible in the network. it's up to you how you will organize your network. You don't need to do this by frequencies like I did. That's just an idea. You can also, for example, define one layer for planned links, for dismantled links, and so on. Another useful feature is creating background. It's quite fast. Auto display background is not so clear as in Google Earth. That's why I show sites in Google Earth at the beginning, but bunch of details would put your network in second plane, and that's not our intention. I can also enable all layers now, and that's pretty much all. I could change some colors of the links or sites. Also I can change display name. You can play with it as you wish. I will skip that now. What we have else? This is a legend, but I'm actually looking for add site. You can add site for if you see some interesting pic and show and save it in your database. Again, you can change the call sign layer. Call sign. You can change layer. With a lot of sites, layers can be very helpful. However, I would suggest you to create several networks rather than one giant network, and you can always merge networks later. See you in next video.